Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to capture website visitors as contacts in Freshsales. The first thing I want you to do is go ahead to Freshsales on the left-hand panel. I want you to click on this gear cog. This will take you to your admin settings. And then from here, click on website embed code. Then I want you to copy this CRM tracking code to your website. So I'll copy this one right here. And you need to paste this before the head tag of your relevant web page. So for me, it would be, for example, this form. Then you just go ahead and add it right before the head section. So let me show you an example. So here's the head section, and this code needs to be right before it. So paste it in. And what you also need to do is you need to go ahead and check your website integration once you've done that. So you just enter the URL of that web page. So it'll come right here. This is the web page. You go ahead and paste it in, then click here on check. And what you also need to do is add the domains of the web pages you've added to the CRM tracking code. So right here, as you can see, I have my domain. So this is just an example. This right here is the domain. You come here, you paste it in, click on add domain. And then what you do is you need to go ahead and copy this one as well, because this code will be used to capture the visitors that fill out your website forms, such as this one right here. And then it will turn them into new contacts in the CRM. Also add this before the head section. And that is how to capture website visitors as contacts in Freshsales.